Video, I'll be showing you guys on how to fix Klarna won't let me pay early. So let's get started. Now, why might this be happening? Well, we have several reasons, but the main three, I'm gonna go over them. The first one could be payment window restriction. Klarna sets a pay later period depending on the merchant and your plan. Sometimes they don't allow early payments until a certain date. It could be a technical or app glitch. The Klarna app or merchant site may temporarily block the early pay option. So you can go ahead, try logging out and then logging back in, and hopefully it works. Lastly, it could be due to pending verification. If Klarna hasn't fully processed your purchase yet, early payment may be blocked, okay? Now, how do you fix this, okay? Well, let's go over several steps, okay? So, first is to use the Klarna app. So, open the Klarna app, then go to your payments and orders right here, okay? For example, our purchases. Then look for the pay now or pay early option, okay? If the option is grayed out, it's likely due to the payment window restriction, which we talked about in the beginning of the video. Another thing you could try is try another payment method. If Klarna won't let you pay early through the pay later plan, you can sometimes pay with your card directly on the merchant site. You could even try contacting Klarna support if you really want to pay early and it's not working, okay? So as you can see, if you go back here, you can see on the top right this option. If you click on it, you can see that there are many options: Klarna balance, card, customer service, and so on. Just go ahead and choose customer service and you can ask them any question literally and they're gonna help you out on spot, okay? And lastly, you could also wait a bit because sometimes Klarna enables the early pay option a day or two after the purchase is registered. Logging out and back into the app can refresh the option, okay? Now, let's talk about a pro tip. Klarna usually allows full early payment, but partial payment is often blocked until the official due date. If your goal is to avoid interest or just clear the balance early, contacting support is the fastest solution, okay? So, alright, guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.